Welcome to Simple Civil Edu. Sometimes the trim command the trim command will not work properly. So what to do when trim command does not work? So let's draw a line. Offset command, enter 0.3. Now you have to trim it, but it's not working. See, so what to do is select trim and first select the boundaries, which and all lines. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and press enter. Now you click on the line which you have to trim. See, now it's working, right? I hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts, please drop it in the comment box. Thank you.